Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your computer keeps freezing whenever you're watching videos, whether it's on YouTube, Netflix, or even saved videos on your hard drive, this video is going to help you fix it. This issue is more common than you think. It can be caused by several things like outdated drivers, hardware acceleration issues, or even background processes eating up your system resources. All right, let's jump into the first fix, and that is updating your graphics drivers. Press Windows X and click Device Manager, then expand the section that says Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, whether it's Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If there is an update available, Windows will install it for you. Even better, go to the manufacturer's website directly and get the latest drivers from there. Once your drivers are updated, restart your computer and test again. Still freezing? Let's move on to the next fix. Disable hardware acceleration in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, scroll down and click System, then turn off the switch that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available or Graphics Acceleration. They are the same. Do the same in Microsoft Edge or Firefox if you're using those. Once disabled, close and reopen the browser. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause glitches if your GPU isn't playing nice with the browser or the video format. Now let's talk about background processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and look at what's using a lot of CPU, memory, or GPU while you're watching a video. If there is something heavy running like a game launcher, an antivirus scan, or even a browser tab with a bunch of ads, right-click it and end task to free up your system. Another thing to try is changing your power plan. Go to Settings, then System, then Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, set it to Best Performance. On laptops, Windows sometimes limits performance to save battery, and that can cause freezing or stuttering during video playback. Now, if you're watching downloaded videos like MP4 or MKV files, try using a different video player like VLC instead of the built-in Movies and TV app. Some codecs don't play well with the default player, especially if your video was recorded or rendered with a non-standard format. And don't forget to run a quick system file, check Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scanow. Let it finish and restart your system. Corrupted system files can sometimes cause video playback to hang or crash. All right, let's quickly recap. Update your graphics driver, disable browser hardware acceleration, monitor background processes, use a high-performance power plan, try a different video player, and run an SFC scan. If you follow these steps, you should be able to stop those annoying freezes while watching videos. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Where did you find another trick that helped? I would love to hear your experience. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and easy fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, stay smooth, and keep watching without interruptions.